CW Coops is a small town restaurant in Angus, Ontario, which is located just outside the Canadian Forces Base Borden in the Rainbow Mall. For our sponsor, it's not only a restaurant but more than that.
I hope to continue for a long time. So, it truly it's everything that I wanted. As far as environment and the family feel and being able to cater to people with the freedom to be able to do what I want.
So, as you just saw, Jennifer Foster, the owner of the restaurant, and her feelings about CW Coops in Angus. So, here we are, team together we inspire to create a strong marketing plan for CW Coops to attract more families to the restaurant as well as by keeping the current customer base. We started a project from identifying local region of Angus and we understood problems and areas of improvement for CW Coops and we identified new opportunities for them. We compared menus of different restaurants and we identified CW Coops is offering high number of wings flavor which is creating a lot of confusions for the customers to order. We used Google Analytics tool to analyze online presence of the restaurant. We found that people are not ordering food online because the website is not easy to use nor it is eye-catching. We identified Base Borden, which is one of our major target customers, and they take specific calorie intakes in their food. At Base Borden, we found new target segments for the restaurant that are military personnels and civilians either living with their families or are singles.
So, here we are going to visit this restaurant to understand their strategies.
So here we ordered 3 food items in the span of just 5 minutes as the menu was not cluttered with many dish names.
We soon visited other restaurants to identify their tactics, and we found many restaurants have drive-through to attract traveling customers, and we found this as an opportunity and thought of implementing it.
Then we visited one more restaurant which had a unique way of attracting customer, that was a curbside pickup, and we thought of implementing it as well. We thank Fleming College for giving us this wonderful opportunity to learn major things about marketing. Professor Raymond, on the other hand, has played an important role who helped us understand the business environment and how real businesses work and how to apply marketing research which we learned in global business management. During this entire course, we learned how to work in teams with coordination. Pandemic situation has been challenging to us, but due to proper assistance of IT tools, we were able to create the strong marketing plan